Hello, fellow developers. We're here with my colleague Emil at Microsoft, and we're going to show you a brand new tool that we built called .NET New UI. It's a global tool. It's available on NuGet that you can install, and it basically lets you install and manage your .NET New based project and item templates. And it also lets you create projects and solutions and items using a UI rather than the CLI. So let's jump right into it. Over to you, Emil.
Yeah, so if we head over to a terminal and you just type the .NET tool install command with new-UI, which is the name of the tool, you already installed it, and then using it just takes typing in .NET New UI. If you can switch back for a moment to the console, just to admire the SKR there. So that's what you should see when you start the app. And then it opens the browser and you can click away, search for templates on NuGet basically, install, uninstall them if they are already installed, as you can see in the example. And once they are installed, then we will list all the available templates on the machine. So this is just a filtered list, the installed packages that actually shows the locally available stuff. And then you can actually head over to the Create tab where you can filter for item, project, solution, templates, types, languages, and then you can just specify the output directory and fire away. No need to mess with .NET CLI commands, and it works. It's beautiful.
It
And it's
certainly
all
is. And do download it. It's pretty easy to get hold of using, if you can go to the repo at ligershark/.NET New UI. There's install instructions here and a nice GIF for you to watch, and you can always watch this video again. Do like and subscribe, helps the channel out, and thank you so much for watching.